It was just a little over a month ago. We're talking August 28th. The tropical storm Irene bore down on southern New England, taking down trees and power lines across the area, kicking up surf, and also leaving a lot of local homes and businesses damaged. But now financial help is available for those who are still reeling from Irene's impact. Susan Hogan joins us now with how victims can get the financial assistance they need. First of all, Susan, let's talk about this financial help. I mean, what form is it? Is it a grant? Is it a loan? What is it?
Well, that's an important question because it really does make a difference. This financial assistance comes in the form of a low-interest loan.
Okay.
And there's a big reason for that. Of course, all of us remember the 2010 historic flooding.
Right.
That was when the president declared Rhode Island a disaster area. Right. So this time around for Tropical Storm Irene, although the damage was great, it was certainly not nearly as big, so it was called an administration declaration of a disaster. So it kind of lowers the impact of what people get.
Okay.
Grants you don't have to pay back, loans you do. So that's the big difference there, certainly.
All right, so who would be eligible then? I mean, can it be a homeowner? Is it just businesses?
Yes and yes.
Okay.
And also renters as well. Anyone who sustained damage. If you were a renter and you had damage to your roof and then the water came in and destroyed your books or whatever, your shelves, your food, your pantry, your kitchen, you are eligible as well as business owners and homeowners as well.
Okay.
And how it works really is, say that you had a tree fall on your roof and you had an estimate from a contractor and he said it's about $10,000 and your insurance company will pay that.
Yeah.
But if you know that there's more damage than that, then what you can do is apply for these low interest loans to help cover the rest of that.
What are the eligibility requirements like? I mean, do you have to have a certain amount of damage to the property, or you know, what do you have to show to be able to apply for these?
Well, yeah, not just everyone can get it.
Yeah.
You absolutely have to go through the Small Business Administration, the national part of this group. They're here from Atlanta for the next couple of weeks. They'll actually come out to your house.
Okay.
You have to go to them first, apply for the loan, then they'll come out to your home or your business and assess it, just like an insurance adjuster would, to determine whether or not you really do need extra money to repair this particular damage that you say that you have.
So where can victims apply? Is it something you can do online, or where should they go?
You can do it online at sba.gov, but you can also go in person, and I really would recommend doing that. It's that one-on-one contact that people like. As I said, these folks, the disaster SBA folks, are up from Atlanta just here in Rhode Island to do this. And they're right now for the next couple of days at the Small Business Administration's headquarters, which is at the federal building at 380 Westminster. They're there from, I think, 9 to 5 every single day right now. So you can go there, tell them what you have, to show them what you've got, your documents, and then once you do that, then they can go out with you. You can also do it online, certainly, if you don't have the time. It will work the same way, certainly.
All right. Well, we appreciate the information, Susan. Again, there's still time. If you do think that you may need help and you want to find a way to get the assistance, you can find that information on the story and all the details that Susan just gave us, but heading to our website at foxprovidence.com.